Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know, when we look up at the night sky, we're not just seeing twinkling points of light. We're looking at the past. Some of those photons have been traveling for millions, even billions of years. And in a way, when we look at DNA, we're also looking at history, a history encoded in every cell of our bodies. But what about the future of that history? What happens when we humans, with our insatiable curiosity, start tinkering with the very code of life itself? That's what we're diving into today. We're going on a wild ride, folks, from the elegant double helix of DNA discovered in the 20th century to the mind-blowing world of quantum genetics and beyond. Buckle up, because we're accelerating into the 22nd century, where science fiction becomes scientific reality. Get ready to explore how our understanding and manipulation of genetic information have taken us from treating diseases to potentially altering the very fabric of our being. Picture this. 1953, Watson and Crick reveal the double helix structure of DNA. It was a monumental achievement. We understood the language of genes, the A's, T's, G's and C's. The 21st century mapped the human genome and developed gene therapies. We were like kids with a new chemistry set. The 22nd century, a whole new ball game. We're rewriting the genetic code. Imagine a world where DNA limitations are a distant memory. Quantum DNA makes the double helix look like child's play. Synthetic base pairs expand the genetic alphabet. Need more data? Add another base pair. Create new amino acids and proteins with unimaginable properties. It's like a software upgrade for our cells, entering the realm of holoDNA, a dynamic, multi-dimensional structure. Not just linear sequences anymore, a complex interplay of energy, frequency and information, upgrading to a fully immersive holographic model of life. Now let's talk about DNA replication. You know, that elegant process where DNA makes a copy of itself, ensuring the continuation of life as we know it. In the 21st century, we marveled at the intricate dance of enzymes, meticulously unwinding the double helix, matching base pairs with incredible precision. We were in awe of this molecular ballet, but the 22nd century, well, it decided to choreograph an entirely new dance routine. Forget enzymes, we're talking AI-driven nanobots, microscopic machines with the intelligence to build and repair DNA with unparalleled accuracy. Imagine swarms of these nanobots swarming over your DNA, identifying and correcting errors in real time, like a crew of microscopic mechanics keeping your genetic engine running smoothly. No more random mutations slipping through the cracks. No, sir, we're in control now. And get this, self-repairing DNA, that's right. Scientists in the 22nd century have figured out how to imbue DNA with the remarkable ability to heal itself. Exposure to radiation, no problem. Nasty toxin trying to mess with your genes, bring it on. Your DNA just shrugs it off, repairing any damage as if it were nothing. It's like having a built-in genetic immune system, constantly on guard and ready to fight off any threat. Now let's dive into the heart of the cell, where DNA's instructions are put into action. The 21st century unveiled the central dogma of molecular biology, DNA to RNA to protein. It was a linear, elegant flow of genetic information, but the 22nd century, well, it decided to throw a rave in the middle of that neat little system. Remember holoDNA, that mind-bending concept we talked about earlier? It's not just about structure, it's about a whole new dimension of genetic expression. We're talking about hologenetic programming, where DNA interacts directly with the quantum field, influencing not just the physical structure of our bodies, but also our consciousness, our thoughts, our very essence. And hold on tight, because it gets even wilder. We're now dealing with neural mRNA, genetic messengers that can directly interface with our brains. Imagine downloading knowledge and skills directly into your neurons, learning complex information instantly. Want to speak fluent Mandarin? Download the language pack. Need to perform brain surgery? Download the surgical skills program. The possibilities are limitless. But wait, there's more. The 22nd century has unlocked the secrets of biosonic regulation. We're talking about using sound frequencies to influence gene expression, activating certain genes while silencing others, all with the precision of a conductor leading a symphony orchestra. It's music to your cells, literally. Now let's talk about gene regulation, the intricate system of switches and dials that control which genes are turned on or off in our cells. In the 21st century, we were just beginning to unravel this complex web of interactions, but the 22nd century? It brought in artificial intelligence as the conductor of this grand symphony. Imagine AI-controlled genomes where sophisticated algorithms monitor and adjust gene expression in real time, optimizing our bodies for health, longevity, and even enhanced capabilities. It's like having a personal AI physician constantly fine-tuning your biology, ensuring you're always operating at peak performance. And speaking of fine-tuning, get ready for adaptive epigenetics. In the 22nd century, our environment doesn't just influence our genes, it actively shapes them. Our DNA adapts and evolves in response to our experiences, optimizing our genetic code for the world around us. Imagine your genes dynamically changing to enhance your survival in extreme environments, from the depths of the ocean to the vastness of space. But wait, there's more. Remember CRISPR, the revolutionary gene editing tool of the 21st century? Well, it's gotten a serious upgrade. Say hello to Quantum CRISPR-X, a gene editing technology so precise, so elegant, it makes traditional CRISPR look like a rusty pair of scissors. We're talking about manipulating gene expression with atomic precision, targeting specific genes with pinpoint accuracy, and even rewriting entire sections of our genetic code with ease. Now, let's talk about genetic inheritance, the passing down of traits from one generation to the next. In the 21st century, we focused on genes passed down through DNA, but the 22nd century, well, it blew the lid off the whole concept of heredity. We're not just talking about inheriting our parents' eye color or height anymore. We're talking about hollow inheritance, the transmission of complex traits, memories, and even consciousness encoded within the multidimensional structure of hollow DNA. Imagine inheriting your grandmother's musical talent or your great-grandfather's scientific brilliance, not through years of study and practice, but through the very essence of their being passed down through your genes. And hold on tight, because it gets even wilder. We're now entering the realm of neural gene fusion, where the boundaries between our brains and our genes blur. Imagine a world where our thoughts and experiences directly influence the genetic makeup of our offspring. It's a concept that challenges our very understanding of individuality, where the line between parent and child becomes a fascinating tapestry of intertwined consciousness. But wait, there's more. The 22nd century has unlocked the secrets of multi-species DNA exchange. We're not just talking about gene editing anymore, we're talking about integrating genetic material from different species, creating hybrid organisms with enhanced capabilities. Imagine combining the resilience of a tardigrade with the problem-solving skills of a human, or the photosynthetic abilities of a plant with the adaptability of an animal. The possibilities are truly endless. We've traveled through the landscape of 22nd century genetics, from quantum DNA to neural gene fusion. What are the practical applications of this genetic revolution? Imagine a world where age reversal is a reality. With AI-controlled genomes, our bodies could repair aging damage, keeping us youthful. And instant learning through neural mRNA. Education would be revolutionized, with knowledge downloadable and instantly absorbed. Barriers to entry for any field would crumble, unleashing human potential. Imagine a world where disease immunity is guaranteed. With quantum CRISPR-X, we could edit out genetic predispositions to diseases, and for adventurers, get ready for interplanetary evolution. Adaptive epigenetics could allow us to colonize new worlds, ensuring our survival beyond Earth. Well, folks, there you have it, a glimpse into the awe-inspiring, mind-bending world of 22nd century genetics. We've journeyed from the elegant double helix of DNA to the realm of quantum genetics, hollow inheritance, and beyond. It's a future brimming with possibilities, a future where science fiction becomes scientific reality. As we stand on the cusp of this genetic revolution, it's our responsibility to approach these advancements with wisdom, ethics, and a deep respect for the power we wield. The future of inheritance is a tapestry woven from the threads of scientific discovery, ethical considerations, and the boundless potential of human ingenuity. It's a future that we will shape together as we unlock the secrets of our genetic code and chart a course for the future of our species. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of science and technology. Keep those minds curious, and remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be explored.